Okay, picture this. You're staring down an absolutely massive mountain of 50-page industry reports, dense legal contracts, and those mind-numbing technical manuals. And, of course, you have to completely master all of it by tomorrow morning. We've all been there, right? Usually it means a long, heavily caffeinated, and honestly slightly panicked night. Let's dive right into this video and see how we can fix that. Now, your first instinct might be to just throw it all into a standard AI chatbot to help you speed read. But there is a huge catch. General AI is trained on the broad open internet, which means it can and will confidently hallucinate facts or pull in totally irrelevant outside data that has absolutely nothing to do with your specific company. And when you're a working professional, accuracy isn't just a luxury, it is a hard requirement. The gap between just playing around with AI and actually knowing what it is doing with your sensitive data, well, that is exactly where really expensive professional mistakes happen. You don't need a creative storyteller here. You need a tool that acts as a secure, walled garden for your brain, an AI that literally only knows what you have specifically handed to it. There actually is a tool that does exactly this, turning your messy, overwhelming document pile into a pristine personal knowledge base. But before we reveal exactly how it works, subscribe to the channel now to ensure you are not missing on our new knowledge content on AI. Okay, so the secret to this tool, which is called Google's NotebookLM, is a really powerful concept known as source grounding. Basically, while other AI tools are constantly pulling from the entire wild west of the web, NotebookLM completely ignores the outside world. It uses only the specific documents you upload as the absolute sole basis for its responses. Think of it like building your very own private little GPT assistant. But instead of the whole internet, it's built specifically on your carefully curated library of PDFs, Google Docs, or even YouTube transcripts. It stays entirely focused on your unique universe of information. And because the AI is architecturally locked to your evidence, it doesn't just casually summarize an answer, it actually brings the receipts. It provides these clickable inline citation chips that link you directly to the exact passage it pulled the information from. If a fact isn't in your documents, the AI simply won't make it up. It eliminates those hallucinations completely. Let's actually ground this with a real-world example so you can see how it works. Meet Sarah. She's a new project lead, and she needs to learn her company's incredibly complex internal processes, and she needs to do it fast. Now, instead of spending weeks painfully reading through 200-page standard operating procedure handbooks, Sarah tries something different. She creates a notebook and uploads her team's entire library of past project summaries. Then, she hits a button in the studio panel to generate an audio overview. In just seconds, and this feature is genuinely mind-blowing, the tool creates a highly natural podcast-style conversation between two AI hosts who literally debate and explain the key nuances of her company's workflow. So Sarah actually listens to this engaging deep dive on her morning commute, absorbing all that critical, high-level strategy while she drives. Then, when she gets to her desk and is ready to get into the weeds, she asks the chat window this exact question: what is the specific process for client onboarding? And NotebookLM doesn't just spit out a guess. It gives her an exact step-by-step answer, and right next to the text, it cites the specific page in the official SOP manual. Sarah can click it, jump right to the source, and verify it instantly. Okay, let's pivot to another scenario. Take Mark. He's a senior analyst, and he uses this tool as his own digital brain to prepare for really high-stakes client meetings. Before a massive proposal, Mark just drops his market research, competitor intelligence, and his team's past successful pitches into one single cohesive notebook. He is basically feeding the AI all the raw ingredients of a winning strategy. Then, he uses the artifact buttons. These instantly transform all those scattered sources into entirely new formats. We're talking comprehensive briefing documents or a customized list of thought-provoking FAQs he's likely to face during his presentation. It connects the dots across dozens of files in a matter of seconds. Because NotebookLM handles all that administrative drudgery, the synthesizing, the summarizing, finding the gaps, Mark's role completely transforms. He goes from being a doer who endlessly digs through folders to a pilot who applies his human, strategic judgment to the AI's automated insights. He walks into the boardroom totally prepared, with talking points completely grounded in real data. And really, that's the most crucial point here. This tool isn't just a neat trick to help you read faster, it's about fundamentally changing your entire relationship with information. By shifting to a workflow that is source-grounded, you are reclaiming hours of your day.
Think about it. When every single professional decision you make is backed by evidence that you can physically see and verify with a single click, it completely eliminates doubt. It literally becomes the difference between guessing and knowing for sure. So it's time to stop drowning in your own documents and start piloting your professional knowledge. Ask yourself, what will you achieve when you finally master your data?